friends, how are you guys doing? So today I thought, let me do something different. Let me cook with you guys. So I thought, let me make something that will be very quick. I'm going to make pasta with chicken strips. Then I'll add chicken a la king sauce. So we're going to be doing that today. So welcome guys, if you are tuning in to my channel for the first time. My name is Portia. We do DIYs on a budget, and today I just thought, let me do something different. So if that is what you are interested in, some home content, then this is your channel. Please do subscribe, like the content, and share if you like what you see, and also just click on the notification button. To my old subbies guys, I see we are growing, so thank you very much for all the support. So let us enjoy cooking today. I hope this will be something that you guys will be enjoying. So let's get to the cooking. Starting with breast, got some breast, and then I pre-washed them, dried them with a hand towel. After that, I cut them into small pieces. I season them with salt, paprika and black pepper. I then massage the chicken so that the seasoning can be infused on the chicken breast. I then put a pan on the stove, heat it up, put oil, and then I fried my chicken breast. I then took my frozen peas, boiled them a bit, maybe like for a minute or two, and then I cut my onion, finely chopped it, took my chicken breast out, put oil on the pan, fried my onions until they were soft, added garlic and ginger, I seasoned the onion with some paprika for color. I added some tomato paste as well, just for the color. Portuguese chicken spice, mixed herbs, on the onions. I poured in the peas, and I mixed everything up. I then put a little bit of the spice, just because I checked the seasoning, it wasn't that great. I put aromat for more taste. I boiled water. This now is for the pasta. 2 kettles of water to be precise. Guys, my husband made me do this one. He's the one who wanted 2 packets of pasta just for 3 adults. But they didn't go go to waste. He ate all of it. So I on my boiling water I poured some salt and oil so that the pasta doesn't stick. Put in both the packets of pasta, boiled it until it was what's the word, al dente, and then I removed, took it under the water and the sink, cold water, to wash it off so that it doesn't stick, and to remove the starch as well. On the onion and peas mixture, I poured in my Emana chicken a la king sauce. I didn't pre-mix the sauce on the side or make it on the side. I just put the whole packet in the mixture, and then I stirred, and then I poured milk. I had a cup of milk on the side. I poured that whole milk inside the mixture, and I stirred it, waited for it to boil, and when I was happy with the texture, and then I again tasted, and I wasn't that happy because I was going to add 2 packets of pasta in this thing, so that was going to swallow all that taste. So I added 2 Knorrox chicken cubes. It's the small ones, so this packet has 2 inside. I added those, stirred, and I was happy with how it was tasting. Look at this, guys, it looks so delicious. I decided to add some butter just for some saltiness to my sauce, or chicken a la king. At this point it was boiling, and the butter melted, and when the butter melted and everything was incorporated, I then poured in my pasta and stirred everything, and that was it, guys. I was done with our supper, our pasta chicken a la king, and this was so tasty. Please comment in the description box, guys, if you try this, or if you've tried anything, or how do you cook your pasta dishes. We can share some recipes. I might try them as well, or let me know if you'll try this, or if you've tried it, or what's your version of pasta with chicken. Our video has come to an end. Thank you guys for watching till this far. Hope you've enjoyed this different kind of video. Till next time, bye.